Well, every Monday we have Dr. Runyon or Dr. Christie Leedy from Abilene Dental with us. Dr. Runyon, I have a letter here, and this sounds like a mystery. You ready to be a detective?
Yes, I am.
All right, it says, Dear Dr. Runyon, I've tried several whitening techniques and nothing works. Could you please tell me why? So you're on the hot seat right now.
Yeah, well, I'll try to answer as best I can. You know, that's a question I get pretty often, actually. And, you know, people try the different whitening techniques. They try the toothpaste, the strips, even the whitening trays from their dentist, and still aren't getting the results they want. And one reason for that is it could be due to what we call intrinsic stain.
Right.
And that's a stain of the internal surface of the tooth structure, the dentin. And it's not just limited to the outer structures, which the whitening has a better effect on.
Right. So if it's a stain from like drinking coffee or something like that, that's an external stain, and you're saying there's an internal stain.
Yeah.
So, but it's still not hopeless.
No, it's not hopeless at all. But examples of that are like what we have here, this tetracycline use as in the developmental stages of the tooth. And what we can do in certain instances like this is we got to cover that. You can't just bleach it. You cover it, and there's different materials to cover it with. The best being which is porcelain.
I'd like to see your next photograph. This is really unbelievable, the contrast between the upper and the lower.
Correct.
Look at that. Both of them are wonderful.
And another one we see very common out here in West Texas is the fluorosis, the fluoride in the water. And that's a pretty typical picture of what we see on a lot of patients. And again, it was covered with porcelain here. And
wow.
So
is there a difference?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. And this is something you can diagnose, and if somebody comes in and says, you know, I'm having trouble, I can't get my teeth whitened, you do a diagnostic procedure to find out whether it's internal or external, and then do the appropriate treatment. So I tell you what, it wouldn't be a bad Christmas gift to give somebody to come by and give them the gift of a white smile.
Perfect.
Thanks for coming by. Merry Christmas.